Chinarosa's 2 bags of local soda and kept their well innocently community. It's known as just a moment Rodriguez consolidated evidence. Is reported today.
Music on WCRB is here thanks to you. And Music Whisper, presenting the Baroque Orchestra of Carlos Fire, Sunday, March 25th at Tuckerman Hall. Performing by Brandenburg Numbers 4 and 5. And the National Festival Ballet and Sleeping Beauty, March 30th at the Hanover Theater. Full details and tickets at 508-754-3231 or musicworcester.org. Tonight at WTH2, witness the 1961 pre-inaugural event for President John F. Kennedy, produced by and starring Frank Sinatra. Watch KFK, the Lost Inaugural Gala, tonight at 7:30 on WTH2. Classical Radio Boston is 99.5 WCRB, WCRB HD1 Lower Boston, also on WGBH HD2 Boston, WCAI HD2 Woods Hole Marcus Green, WGMF, WJMF HD1 Smithfield Providence, a service of Great University, a treasure of success, and classical WCRB.com.
Beautiful day if you're inside, nice and warm, 32 degrees in Boston, gusty winds today too, but look forward. Here's Rodriguez from Saturday Winters with Quickly Renewal. Never knew under DD Academy of St. Martin in Phoenix.
You love beard hugs?
Yeah.
Why is she gonna get me?
Later on.